Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
I'm Shelby.
And we're opening another window in our jewelry advent calendar.
Yay!
You know, we never talked about what we thought today would be. What do you think today's window is going to have for us?
At this point, I don't know. We thought it was going to be a charm yesterday, and we were wrong.
We were. We both thought that. So. But you know, I think I'm going to go with charm today. What do you think?
Probably.
All right, she says probably a charm, but she's not completely sold. So, today 12. Yep, there it is. I was fine. I was right there. I'm not a total invalid, you know. I can... Of course, if I'm an invalid, does that mean you'll fix dinner tonight?
No.
No.
I'll fix it myself.
Can I talk you into maybe some cookies or something? She makes the best cookies.
What'd you get? Oh, it's the necklace!
It is the necklace.
Ooh, it's a star topper thing.
I believe it's a glow in the dark.
Let's see.
We'll have to see.
Yeah, it needs light to feel it first.
But look at that. Isn't that pretty? Uh-oh. It's getting interesting. It's gonna get real, people. All right, well, that was a surprise. I wasn't expecting a necklace. I think tomorrow's gonna be a charm, though. What do you think?
Maybe.
She says maybe.
50-50.
50-50. She's not willing to go. Come on. Make a choice. You gotta make a choice.
No.
No. All right. Okay, well, when we're done with this, maybe you'll go make some cookies.
Yeah.
Make some comments. Tell her you want to see how she makes her cookies. They're really good. Yes, tell her you want to see her doing a cooking with the crew, making her cookies. She made some red velvet ones the other day. Oh, they were so delightful.
It's your recipe.
I know it's my recipe, but you've been the one making them. And they're good. You make them better than I do.
I don't know how. It's your recipe.
It was you cooking them the other night, and they were really good. Maybe it's the way you stir them. She stirs them with love. That must be what it is.
I stirred them with intense frustration over my arm getting tired.
Oh. If I only played the violin. Oh, did y'all see that? Elder abuse. Elder abuse. Did y'all see that? She whacked me.
I did not. I pushed.
You heard it. She admitted it. She pushed me. She pushed her mother on the 12th day of Christmas.
Cope.
Cope?
Cope. 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 Cope with it.
You see this? See what I have to do?
Are you dying? Is your arm broken?
Yeah, I can't lift it anymore. No more sewing, no more cooking. You're going to have to do it all. See?
I said broken, not numb.
I need to turn the camera off for a little while because her and me's got to have some words. Are you believing this? Nah, she's still my girl. I think I'll keep her.
Why? No, moving on.
I was going to say,
We're not going to have that on the camera.
Well, I have put too much work and effort into you. Trust me. Blood, sweat, tears.
And money.
And money. Lots of praying.
Lots of money.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Speaking of that, if any of y'all want to be a Patreon to kind of help me out to finish raising her, check it out. Meanwhile, be sure to like, subscribe, make some comments. Tell her to behave herself with her elderly mother and that she should make the cookies and you want to see the video. Find us on Facebook at Crazy Dave's Crew. and on the internet at cdcrew.com and DIY Dave and Company. There's some advent calendars, or there's an advent calendar being opened over there too, but that's with the guys. Anyway, we hope you'll see. We hope you'll see. We hope we'll see you next time, right here at
CrazyDavesCrew.
Or you never know what's going to happen. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time.
Bye.